Super. So with this, I am inviting our fifth teampreneur of the day, and to introduce him, I invite Coach Amit.
Thank you, Nitesh. So our next entrepreneur is well known as an action taker. His understanding about money is really good. People management, communication, and event planning are his strengths. Let me introduce you a 19-year-old Bhargav from Bangalore, Karnataka. Over to you, Bhargav.
Hi everyone, Anand present here. My dear friends, coaches, and dear parents. I hope you had your tea, coffee, and breakfast. Everyone are energetic, right? And relaxed. Yeah. Tell me on an average, people who spend their time in government office for the small works like getting their driving license, school, college admissions, hotel license, or bar license, or getting an appointment for a government official or a big businessman, that too without giving any bribe. Is it possible? Here it comes. Here it comes into picture. What if I said you can sit relax fully, where I'm giving you the exclusive service of Mr. PA. Who is Mr. PA? Mr. PA is not your personal assistant. He is no personal assister. What is personal assister? Like, he'll act as one of your family members who will save your time and money, and who will be professional and trustworthy, and who will do your service with a confidential thing. He won't let your things out. And let me introduce myself. I'm Bhargav, 19 years old, and I'm doing my BCom from Bangalore. My hobbies are driving, networking, and fitness. So my me values are power, success, money, and intelligence. So I'll share my personal issue. Power. Like, my father and mother were stuck into a big problem where I used my power and network to solve that problem. From my small age, uh, I was very sad about these things. So I solved recently, just to last 2 weeks. So I'm very happy about that. Like, as I deal with government officials and big people, here my power comes into place. And as I solve the customer's problem, I'm satisfied and I'm successful. And dealing with successful people needs lot of intelligence, right? So what are you people missing right now? Currently, people are only behind your money, right? Also, you're not able to deal with your professional things. If you pay extra also, you have to go behind them. Be, you cannot go behind them. No one is giving you quality services. So here I'm coming for giving you a quality service. Here, Mr. PA comes into the picture. What and all service he would give you? He is trustable, loyal, and confidential. He'll arrange you for private meetings, business deals, source of connection, investment management, arranging chopper and flights. He'll travel in behalf of you. He'll maintain your VIP guests for 24/7. He'll also arrange events like birthday parties, meeting, and marriages. And he'll also look after your grandparents if you're not in station. So people might be thinking, how can we trust Mr. PA? See, I'll select people who are well educated, and I'll verify their background. Services are tracked and monitored. They are trustable and dependable. And about all that, everything will be done in a nominal price. And you're just away from the appointments. And here it comes. The project details. Now, initially, I'm recruiting 10 people. Due to this pandemic, so many people doesn't have their jobs. So my aim is to give 50 people job in 2020-21, and planning to do a mobile app where you can select the services and contact me. You can solve the problem in just one phone call. All the services will be tagged and updated in this mobile app, and a bit of support system I need. I want the IT team for making the app, creating of the app, and I want a marketing team who can reach out to the people. And for the more details, you can contact Bhargav Rao at LinkedIn and www.teenpreneurship.in. Thank you so much. Thank you, coach, everyone.
Superb, superb. So normally a 19-year-old will, his focus will be on getting a job. And we have Bhargav whose focus is on giving a job. That's the difference. Amazing, Bhargav. So I would like to connect to Bhargav's mom, Jayashree,
Rajeshri.
Bhargav's aunt, Rajeshri, and Vedashri.
Yes. Yeah.
How was your experience when Bhargav was pitching?
To be frank, it's really wonderful, Nitesh. I am seeing such a nice smiles in all of your faces, and of course, you know, I am also very, very pleased, and you know, you see, he is my son. I understand, but whatever the words that he has told, and I can see that confidence in him. To be frank, we were stuck with money matters, and it is not. It is not false, or it is not. It is 100% true that, you know, we being elders, we were not able to solve the issue which he did. And I am very, 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 it's not one or two words, I'm really proud of him that
Wow.
he, you know, in this age, that he did that for us. Literally, it is not false. He did it for us. And of course, it is with his power, knowledge, and the connect that he has. And which we, no, literally, we were not able to solve that money issue for more than 6 years. We said,
Wow.
we felt that we have forgotten about it. But he said, no, Ma, don't worry, I am there for you people. We will do something. No, like PA, it's not PA, it is, he's managing the whole list of, personal assistants. He said, Amma, we can do for you. Why can't we do for others? There are so many parents, so many people who are struggling, who are facing the same kind of issue that you people are having, we are all educated, but we get into these kind of traps. He said, we are there, Amma, we have to help people. So he came up with this concept, and he's just not told it, he has already done it. And I'm really proud of my son, really. I mean, of course, he was able to present it because of this group. Nitesh, you and Amit, I'm very, very happy for really motivating him to able to, comprehend everything and come up with the group and, share this with all of you people. And whatever he's proposed, he's already done it, and he can do it. Of course, whatever support he needs on the app part and the marketing part, yes, I would request you people all to help him out on that. Thank you, Amit.
Thank you, Rajeshri. Vedashri, I would request you also to comment, because you also have been for him as a parent.
Yes, thanks, Nitesh. I think thanks for the opportunity. I've been very nervous since morning, helping out Bhargav. We are sitting on the other rooms and trying out, but I think he did a great job. And what important thing I saw a transformation in this 9 weeks journey for him is that he's become much more focused, and a different kind of confidence that I see in him, and being in this group and doing things in a structured manner has given him an insight into how to do things in a structured manner. He would have ideas and a lot of things in his mind, but I think today he got a way to put it all on the paper and execute it. With the kind of confidence and the connections that he has, I'm sure he will succeed. Thank you, Nitesh, and thank you, Amit, for constant support.
Thank you, Vedashri. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. And Rajeshri, what you said, that I am proud of Bhargav. This is what every child deep inside wants to hear.
Yes.
Okay, so parents, request to all parents, ये 3 magical words ना subtly बोलते रहो. They are very, very helpful. Okay, super,
Yes.
guys. So
Just one
time
thing.
to vote for. Yes, Vikrant.
Yeah, Bhargav, wishing you the very best for this venture. And a person like me, I'm very phobic to visit the government offices and all. So please open a branch in Mumbai as soon as possible.
Oh, so nice.
Nitesh, one thing I would like to add, I'm
Yes, Ajay.
actually seeing Bhargav for the first time. I'm coach Shazia from batch 3 or from LPCC, but everyone was excellent. But the way, the maturity that Bhargav has put out at his age, and something that is livable, and something which we all are going through. We are struggling through so many things. Like I wanted to get my driving license, converted into car for since past 6 years, and I'm just procrastinating it. So there are multiple such items that individuals are, are not getting time to do it just because I have to go to another city and get it done and all of that. So this is an amazing thing. I think this will, this venture will actually reap you benefits very soon if you put it on the platter. All the best, Bhargav. And congratulations to the proud mothers out there.
Thank you.
Nitesh, I would also like to add if we have time.
Yes.
Okay, so one thing that Bhargav has really shown that if you can solve a problem for yourself, why not solve it for everyone else? And I think that's the first trait of a true entrepreneur. And he has just delivered it. Very nice, Bhargav.
Super, Bhargav.